Hi, it's Professor Wyatrowski again, and I wanted to show you very quickly how to access your online homework and what it looks like once you're in the online homework. Now it is the first morning that the course is active. It is June 23rd, about 8 a.m. And I've noticed that several students have already registered, so I know that they have been able to purchase the ebook and code through the bookstore. I should have an updated web address for purchasing the ebook and homework code soon. But once you have your ebook and access code, you will go here to the Cengage Learning Link module. You will click on the Mind tab, click here to access your online homework tab right here, and it's going to ask you to input that ebook code. Once you've done that, it will ask you to click here to access your online homework. You click through that, and then you end up here in Mind tab. Now what you might see when you're here in Mind tab is this view. Now this view is absolutely worthless, so you don't want to be stuck on this view. What you want to do up here is click on the horizontal bars, either this one or this one, and these are where you'll find your assignments. Here I have everything listed by chapter and due dates. Now the chapters that we go through in the course are not in sequential order, so you'll need to make sure you're referring to the module section of the course or the syllabus so that you're looking within the correct chapter. But you will start with chapter 1, and you can click here on chapter 1, and you can see that here is an link right here to the ebook chapter 1. Over here are some flashcards that you can use for studying, and here is where that tutorial quiz is located. So this is graded, and every chapter has a tutorial quiz. They average about 15 questions apiece. I think this one might actually be 17 questions, but they're usually about 15 questions. Now when you go back to the main screen, you'll see again there's chapter 2, looks the same, and then some chapters have an APLIA assignment. Now there's one APLIA assignment per module, so that means one of the 2 or 3 chapters that have been assigned will have the APLIA assignment associated with it. This is also due, and it takes maybe about a half hour to an hour to complete. They are in-depth sort of case studies on environmental issues, and they're meant to be challenging. You will not find the answers in these APLIA assignments directly from the textbook. You have to kind of move beyond the textbook and critically think and evaluate. So it can be a little frustrating, but they are meant to sort of help you think outside the box, so to speak. So there's one of these per module. In the syllabus, it lists exactly which chapters will have these APLIA assignments. So this is where you want to be in Mind tab. Over here again, you want to be in the horizontal bar view, or in this one, which again has everything that is due as well. But I prefer the middle view here, the bigger horizontal bars. I think it's the easiest to navigate. And that is the online homework system. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I will get back to you within 24 hours, usually sooner.